Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rizky Nurokhman. I am a student from University Pekalongan and I'm here to present about my final project. And the title is Implementation of Scientific Approach Assisted by Song as Medium in Teaching Vocabulary at 11 students of PKBM Insan Cendekia Rogoselo. Background of study. This research is done because students often hear about song can enhance their vocabulary, make their English better, easiest way to learn English, etc. Researchers want to prove it is true or not. This research will prove if song can really enhance, improve, and also easiest way to learn English or not. Not only want to prove, researchers also want to know how is the implementation of scientific approach assisted by song as medium in teaching vocabulary. The statement of problem is the first one. How is the implementation of scientific approach assisted by song as medium in teaching vocabulary? Researchers want to know the results of the implementation of scientific approach assisted by song as medium in teaching vocabulary is make a big difference or not. The second one is what are the teachers and student perspective toward implementation learning result in vocabularies mastery using scientific approach by song as medium. And then the second one is the perspective from the teacher when they do the lesson in class, and then the students before and after they doing lesson in class. Then the research design is the studies was conducted using a qualitative descriptive method. This qualitative research method aims to produce descriptive data in the form of words. Then the data will describe in accordance with the qualitative descriptive method, which aim to explain the subject or object of research. It is used because the purpose of the study is to describe an event, that is the teaching learning process using scientific approach assisted by song as vocabulary mastery. And then the finding and discussion. Researchers used 11 grade students in PKBM Insan Cendekia Rogoselo and teachers' perspective to get data. There are 10 students in 11th grade. The data took from 2 different songs. Each song played one time with short lyrics and the one more time with the some blank lyrics. There are up to 13 blank lyrics that student must fill. The data will describe below. First, the implementation. The implementation of scientific approach assisted by song as medium in teaching vocabulary mastery is successful. First song called Drive Lessons from Olivia Rodrigo. In the first song, students a little bit hard to catch word in the lyric. It takes 3 times for students to complete fill in the blanks of the lyrics itself. Take 3 times in here means the song is repeatedly until 3 times, and then students finally can fill in the blank the lyrics. In the first song, students only answered 5 out 11 words in the lyric. And then in the second song called Heartbreak Anniversary from Jiveon. In the second song, students already familiar with the technique of filling in the blank, so they did not took longer time to do it. Because they already know how to play, how to fill the blank from the first song, and then in the second song they already know how to do it. In the second song, there is improvement from student. They can answer 8 of 13 words in the lyric. Second one is from teacher's perspective. Teacher's perspective are similar with the result of the lesson itself. Mereka cukup tertarik dengan lagu berbahasa Inggris. Namun itu juga yang membuat mereka sedikit kesusahan karena kekurangan pengetahuan tentang lagu berbahasa Inggris. Mereka lebih sering mendengarkan lagu-lagu bahasa Indonesia, terutama dangdut, sehingga pengetahuan mereka tentang lagu berbahasa Inggris masih kurang. Kalaupun tahu ya cuma sekedar tahu, oh ini lagu yang sedang viral nih. Ya sekedar cuma itu saja. Said Miss Atika as a teacher. Another statement are penggunaan scientific approach juga pas menurut saya karena runtut ya. Dari building knowledge, mengamati, menanya, lalu mempraktekkan jadi sangat cocok untuk pembelajaran bahasa Inggris, khususnya vocabulary mastery. Said Miss Atika about using scientific approach in teaching vocabulary. That is from the teacher's perspective, and then the last one is from student perspective. There are 9 questionnaires that researchers give to students. The questionnaire contains about learning process that they already do previously and what they feel after learning vocabulary using song as medium. 5 students tell that using song as medium in teaching vocabulary are more easier to learn. They feel it is the best way to learn vocabulary. 3 students tell that it is a little bit hard because the words that come out from song is not clear enough. So they cannot understand what words that singer speak. The rest students tell that they clearly cannot understand what singers say and what words that come out from the song. So total 11, 5 is agree, 3 is a little bit hard to catch the lyrics that come out from the singer, and then 3, the other 3, they doesn't know how to do it. And then last one is conclusion. From the result of research in implementation scientific approach using song as medium in teaching vocabulary can be concluded that using scientific approach to teach vocabulary using song as medium are effective. Students can enrich their vocabulary and song give huge impact in the improvement itself. Scientific approach plays an important role for the teachers and students because it is complexity of scientific approach itself. So the result of this research is positive. Students can prove that song can really enhance their vocabulary, and then it is the best way according to them that song can really enhance their vocabulary. So that's all from my presentation. I'm sorry if there's any mistake that I made in this presentation. I'm sorry. And then thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.